So today I'll be showing you how to redeem a digital PlayStation Store gift card on your PS5. Now, when you purchase a gift card or a PlayStation Store gift card or even a PS Plus gift card, then you do get the code that you're supposed to use to redeem in your email. So all you have to do is open up the email from Amazon and find that code. Now, once you find that code, that's the one you're going to enter on your PS5. So turn on your PS5, and then if it's a PlayStation Store gift card, then you're going to go to the PlayStation Store. If it's a PS Plus gift card, then you want to go to PS Plus. Now, since ours is a PlayStation Store gift card, go ahead and open the PlayStation Store. And in the menu at the top, you want to go all the way to the end, select more, and then you should see the redeem code. Now, you can see you have this text box where you need to enter the 12-character voucher code. That's the one you got in your email. So enter that. And then once you enter the code, just go and press on done. And then go ahead and click on redeem. You can actually see how much it is. So click on redeem. So that's going to be added to your wallet and it's going to increase to the balance you had previously. So simple as that. You can now use that PlayStation Store wallet balance to purchase games or whatever it is you want to purchase on your PS5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.